Hello everyone, welcome to Real Programmers. Today we are going to look on how to connect MongoDB to Node.js. If you head to the official website of MongoDB, here you will get free database using Atlas of 512 MB of storage. If you click on try free, it will ask you to create an account. Once you are done with all that, it will open this dashboard in here. You need three things from here. One thing is network security. Here, whatever your website or your application IP is there, you need to provide here. Then there is database access. You need to give a user to the database what it can do, read, write, anything in the database. Then there is database. You need to click on connect. Click on connect to your application, select Node.js and the version. Once you are done, copy this and in here I have three things, the package need to install. Let me clear this. Yes, npm express, sorry, npm install express mongos.env. I have this, so there is no need. Express we need for to start the server. Then there is Mongos. Mongos is to connect to your MongoDB. This is a good package. And there is this .env. Env is used to your security purpose. I have this example. You can give your username and password. I'll show you how. Once you have copied from here, right? You need to keep inside here. Here there is username and the password. Username will be in this way, like this, process.env. Hold on, it should be this. Yes, above tab there is one tilde. Just give that, so it will access this. And what is it called? db username .db username, same thing. We'll copy this for db password. While you were setting the account, you need to give username and the password. You will get the user of, or else you can create another user and keep that username and password in here, like this, inside here. Process env db username and db password. And there is this thing, it should be your database. If you head to here, browse collection, there is this my app db. That's it. And there is this port. We are initializing express to app. Then Mongo's to connect URL, this URL with username and password. Then it will connect. If there is any error, it will throw an error. So we can just do node dot. See, server running on this port. This came first and db connection successfully. That means this will take a time to respond, because we are in the network, like we are accessing Atlas network database. That's how you can connect the MongoDB in Node.js. If you want to host your website, you have to check domain reserve. It provides so many features with cheapest price. You can get your domain with the starting price of 70 rupees. .info 400.com for 650 and .org for 990. And if you're looking for web hosting, there are four major features in here. Fast, fast response because of SSD, free SSL certificate, cPanel to manage your site, SEO tool to optimize your search engine. And everything is stored in cloud and it's secured. There are few plans you can look. The starting plan, which is basic, starts at 60 rupees per month. You'll get one free, one host, website host, 1 GB of SSD, 3 email address and 5 GB of bandwidth. If you're looking for personal, which is average, you can get for 100 rupees per month. You'll get unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, unlimited bandwidth, and it also have premium SEO tool. And if you have a business and you want to have a website, you can look for this plan, which gives 3 website, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, same premium SEO tool to optimize your search. Then there is this advanced plan, which is 250 rupees, which gives free domain of 2, which is .in and .com, unlimited website. You can host your website, n number of websites, all pack, all features from silver pack, which business level. All the features from business level will be included in here, which is unlimited SSD, unlimited email address, unlimited bandwidth, and premium SEO tool. Please do check it out. And they have 24/7, 24/7 service support. That's all, and I'll see you in the next video.